In this video, I will show how you can download and install the mobile app that allows you to fly this DJI Air 3 drone. So if you plan to pilot your drone on an Android phone or on an Android-based smartphone, unfortunately you will not find the required app in the Google Play Store. For some reason it is not listed there. So what I want you to do is to open whatever search engine you prefer to use. Doesn't necessarily have to be Google, it can be any other search as well. Then input the DJI Download Center or DJI Download Center Android or something of that sort. Then among the search results, look for the official DJI.com website and we'll open the Download Center or Download DJI Apps page. Then select the DJI Fly app. Press the Download Android APK button. Then confirm that you would like to download the file anyway. Once the file is going to be downloaded, obviously you will need to launch it, but let's not get ahead of ourselves and, well, wait first until it actually gets downloaded. So as you can clearly see, the APK file has been downloaded, so now tap on it to stage and install the app. Here, in your case, it may require you to grant whatever web browser you've used with the install unknown apps permission, so make sure to do that if necessary. If you haven't done that previously, then press the install button. Wait for a few seconds, maybe 10 to 15 seconds max, for the app to be installed, and you are golden. So as you can see, the app has been installed successfully. Now when it comes to iPhone or, well, just an iOS-based devices in general, the process is a tiny bit simpler since the DJI Fly app is presented inside the default App Store. So let's launch the App Store. Then inside it, just input the DJI Fly query to your search bar like that. Then find this app, purchase it or add it to your account, and then simply install it like you would any other app on your iPhone. So here you just gotta wait for it to be downloaded and installed, so I guess there is no need in any further guidance here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.